Hi everyone, myself Lingareddy. In this session we'll discuss ortho effect. What is the ortho effect? How it is affecting the which cases it is affecting. We will see now. So ortho effect we are seeing mainly in benzoic acid in aniline, right? So let me explain what is the ortho effect. First thing is we are taking the benzoic acid. Let me explain the next slide very clearly. Right. Here they are giving benzoic acid, right? This is the benzoic acid. In benzoic acid is containing here one group. It may be it is electron withdrawing group or electron releasing group. It doesn't matter. We have to have in the ortho position group. You know already where the position here. This is called ortho position. This is called meta position. This is called para position. So it should be in the group is ortho position. So that is called ortho effect. So here ortho effect nothing but ortho substituted benzoic acid stronger acid than benzoic acid, no matter whether the substituted electron withdrawing group or electron releasing group. So always ortho substituted benzoic acid is stronger acid than remaining acids, nothing but simple acids or para or meta, whatever remaining, right? So here why ortho substituted benzoic acid is stronger acid than remaining simple acid? Due to the region is the steric hindrance. Due to steric hindrance, the carboxylic acid group is present in the outside of the plane, so it does not involving in the benzene ring, so the ortho group does not affect the electron releasing group or electron donating group, right? Clear? This group will be present in the outside of the plane. So I clearly mentioned in the resonance structure here. So the benzene does not participate in the resonance. So only the ortho group does not involving in that acidic strength because of it is in the outside of the plane. I hope it is clear. This group is present in the outside of the plane due to steric interaction. Steric interaction means it will be present in the ortho position. It due to repulsions it will be go on to the in the outside of the plane. So due to single bond here CC rotation happening here. I hope it is clear, right? So let me explain few examples which cases we are observing the ortho effect. Right here example number 1. So here ortho position methyl group is there, and here ortho position 2 ortho position is methyl group is there, and this is simple benzoic acid which is having more acidic strength. Obviously B is more acidic strength because of the 2 ortho groups are present, and then here A, and then least one is C because of no ortho effect. Already I said it is whether the electron withdrawing group and electron donating group, it is doesn't matter, it should be in the ortho position, it shows the ortho effect. Okay, and next one, size factor. Here we are discussing size factor. So here this is just simplest methyl is there, and this is ethyl, this is the isopropyl, so which is showing more ortho effect. The size is more, it can shows the more ortho effect due to steric interactions. Obviously the ortho effect is here, and the isopropyl is more, so C is more acidic than B, and B is more acidic than A. I hope it is very clear. And then next one here, right here, and here also the methoxy groups, and here also methoxy group and methoxy group, and no methoxy here, no substitute. So obviously here the first one is A because of ortho effect is there, right here the methoxy group here acting as a minus I group, and here acting as a minus I group as well as plus M effect. Already we know that plus M effect is dominate over the minus M effect. So here already we know that the plus M effect or plus I effect. So plus M and plus I effect increases. Acidic strength, what happened? Acidic strength is decreases. We know that this is right. So here the plus M effect is there. So minus M and minus I increases means acidic nature also increases, right? So that means here the B is more acidic than C. So here no effect, okay, no electron donating, no electron releasing. So here then we'll get D, and here electron donating group is there, that is increase the electron density. So electron repulsions, the negative charge and electrons are repulsions, get repulsions. So only it won't easily lose the proton. So the weak acid is here. This is C. So this is the order, exact order of the acidic strength. I hope it is clear there with reagents, right? And we will see in the next slide here, right here, and benzoic acid, ortho-hydroxy benzoic acid, here same ortho and ortho, right? Here ortho and ortho, already we know that. Here ortho effect also is there, and hydrogen bond also is there. After lose the proton, this O minus it will be bind with this O because of here hydrogen bond. So two factors is working here. Anyway, here C is the acidic strength is more because of ortho effect and hydrogen bond. And then next here we are observing, and then B, and then next one here, this is in meta position, minus I group is there. So minus I group is there means it is increase the acidic strength. Right here D, and least one is A. So this is the exact order of acidic strength here. And here next one, fifth example, they are giving in phenols, it's not carboxylic acid. In phenol case we are not observing the ortho effect, right? So here, but here the halogens it exhibit minus I effect. We know that minus I effect is distance dependent. If you more distance, the minus I effect is decreases. So here already we know that the acidic strength, the A acidic strength is increases with the increasing minus I effect, and the plus I effect increases, the acidic strength is decreases. So here the effect we all are containing the halogens, but distance is different. Here 1 and 2, here 1, 2, 3, and here 1, 2, 3, 4. So distance is more, the minus I effect is less. So obviously here the acidic strength is, this is the order of acidic strength. I hope it is clear. Ortho, meta, para, right? And next one here, sixth one example. Here also ortho effect is there, and here also ortho effect is there, and here also ortho effect is there. Which is more ortho effect? So first we have to consider the hydrogen bond. So here no hydrogen bond, okay, there is no hydrogen bond, and in these two cases having hydrogen bond. So size factor here, what is the size here? The size is NO2 is slightly greater than OH minus ion. So once size is more, the ortho effect is more. So that means here comparatively A and B, and A is greater acidic strength, and then B, and here OH OCH3, and here what is that, C, and least one is no ortho effect, it is the D. I hope it is clear. This is the clear, right? Let us see in the next slide aniline, right? Ortho effect in aniline. So ortho isomer, right, very clear, ortho isomer aniline is weakest base then as compared to the simple aniline. We are taking ortho substituted aniline and simple aniline, and simple aniline is more basic than ortho effect. Whether that is no matter, already I told here, and electron donating or electron withdrawing group, it is doesn't matter, it should be just group. Okay, I hope it is clear. And here, right, we will see the Remaining we have to compare the effect, electronic effect, ortho and para. We have to compare the electronic effects, that is mesomeric effect and inductive effect and hyperconjugation effect. Remaining we have to para meta, we have to compare with that, right? So here we have some examples. We know that this is the ortho effect is there, which is having ortho effect. It is the least basic nature, and remaining here we know that this is having and minus I effect, here having minus I effect, at the same time plus M effect. So we know that plus M effect is dominate over the minus M effect. Okay, already we are giving here. So which is having more basic strength? Obviously C having more basic strength, but here no any effect, so no withdrawing as it is same base only here. So then A, and last one anyway ortho effect having is having least basic, and then here B, and least one is D. So this is the answer for the given example. And same here electron donating group they are giving example, and here electron withdrawing group minus M group they are giving, right? So anyway this ortho effect is having, that is the least basic in nature. So here minus I effect is there, here minus M effect is there, and see here no effects, it is not decreasing the basic strength. Already we know that basic strength decreases and minus I increases and minus M increases, right? So here the A is, this is the A, assume here this is the B and C and D, right? So A is having more basic strength, and then here only having minus A effect, so we can take consider as a minus A effect. Here two effects is there, so the B and then here and C, and least one is D because of it is having ortho effect. I hope it is very clear, right? Next one more example. Right here ortho effect is there, here no ortho effect. Already I say whatever the electron donating or electron withdrawing group, it doesn't matter, it should be in the ortho position. It will create some steric hindrance, and the NH2 group, or it will be going to the outside of the plane, it will be showing the so basic strength. So which is having more basic strength? This is right. One more example I will take here, and that is here simple cyclohexane, so NH2, and one more example here, and here NH2, and here having CH3 group. So here CH3 group, already we know that this is the plus I effect, right? This is the plus I effect. Already we know that plus I effect is increases, the basic strength is increasing. So obviously here this is the order. So you should observe the example 3 and 4. This is the aromatic ring only, it is ortho effect is applicable at that nothing but benzene ring. And this cyclic rings, simple cyclic rings, it we have to see the electronic effect, right? And one more example we will see here, and here carboxylic acid we are taking, this is the carboxylic acid and cyclohexanoic acid, and same here COOH we are taking C2H5, and this is ethyl, it is plus I group. So which is having more acidic in nature? Plus I group, we know that plus I group increases. Acidic strength, what happened? Acidic strength is decreases. Obviously answer is, this is the answer. So simple substituted compared to simple one is more acidic than substituted one. I hope it is clear. So this is the regarding information about ortho effect. It is important for JEE mains, and sometimes they will ask in the advance also. So any doubt is there, you can comment me, ask me, I will give the reply. And thank you for watching. Thank you.